We have some big news coming in the Gurgaon bike car crash. In the latest news that we have, the accused driver did not have a driving license. Kuldeep Thakur has no driving license. He's failed to provide a driving license to the police. Investigation is currently on in this matter. Based on developments, fresh sections are likely to be slapped on him. Huge development here that we are tracking with the Gurgaon case, as there was a lot of outrage over the accused Kuldeep Thakur being released on bail quickly after he crashed into a bike while driving in the wrong side of Gurgaon's Golf Course Road. Here we're looking at the driver there, the accused driver Kuldeep Thakur did not have a driving license when this accident happened, and so far, while the cops investigate the matter, they still haven't received a driving license from this man. Kuldeep Thakur has no driving license, yet the man was let go on bail. Shocking development coming to light. Big disclosure in the fatal Gurgaon crash, where we have the ACP reacting to this. Let's listen in.
आरोपी क्या गिरफ्तार किया गया?
देखिए, इसमें जो संबंधित धाराएं हैं उनके तहत मुकदमा दर्ज कर और क्योंकि इसमें बेल का प्रावधान था तो इसलिए उनको बेल पर छोड़ा गया।
पीड़ित की मां का कहना है कि आरोपी के पास ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस नहीं था, बावजूद उसके पुलिस ने सख्त कार्रवाई नहीं की और थाने से बेल दे दी।
देखिए, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस अभी तक पेश नहीं कर पाया है एक्यूज्ड, तो हम लोग यही मान रहे हैं कि उसके पास ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस नहीं है, जिसके संबंध में जो अनुसंधान अधिकारी उनको निर्देश दे दिए गए हैं कि इसमें जो भी संबंधित धाराएं हैं वो मुकदमे में ऐड कर और आगे कार्रवाई इसमें की जाए।
तो इसका मतलब आरोपी कुलदीप ठाकुर को पुलिस दोबारा गिरफ्तार कर सकती है, धाराएं और जोड़ी जा सकती हैं?
बिल्कुल, यदि आवश्यकता पड़ेगी तो दोबारा भी गिरफ्तार किया जा सकता है, और अगर इसमें और भी कोई स्ट्रिंजेंट एक्शन, कोई धाराएं ऐड कर लिया जाने की आवश्यकता पड़ेगी तो वो किया जाएगा।
Let me cut across to Shreya Chatterjee joining us live. Shreya, you suspected this was the case while I spoke to you just last evening to ask you on the details of this case. But it appears now there's a confirmation that's come in. Shreya, why don't you elaborate? You've been tracking this case very closely. Shocking, this guy does not have a license.
Well, Nabila, India Today was privy to the development that the accused was unable to produce a driving license. This is the reason we have been on the top of the story. And finally now, the Gurgaon police has officially accepted the same, that a driving license wasn't there. The accused couldn't produce the driving license, is why now they're accepting that he does not have a driving license. They are also going to likely add fresh sections. But the question at large, Nabila, that stays that on the day of the arrest, was it not the duty of the SHO, the investigating officer, to check whether he had a driving license, which he did not in this particular case? Why was he allowed to let go? Why was these strict sections not put in place before the matter came into light? This is the bigger question that Gurgaon police also needs to answer, because unless we posed that question to them from at least 2 days, finally it took them now that they've actually accepted it, that the accused did not have a driving license.
Well, Shreya, please tell us more on the severity of this case now. This case itself takes a whole new turn, with huge questions being raised on the police not giving him bail despite this man not producing the driving license to them right then and there. In fact, the duty of the police was to take the driving license, to check if he has a license while at the crash site itself. And now we hear he does not have one. How did this man get bail then?
Well, absolutely, Nabila. I mean, you and I, we all drive on the roads of Delhi NCR. We know that even at the basic jumping of any kind of traffic regulations, how people are harassed by the police. But here a man manages to kill a person driving on the wrong side, doesn't have a driving license, get a bail immediately, which in fact looks like a station bail, because he got bail immediately half an hour of the accident, is which the family member and also his friend Pradyuman has confirmed to us. So Gurgaon police needs to give an answer that why was this man without a driving license, who led to the death of a man, let off so easily? Why were the stringent sections not added then? Now they are on, accepting that in the course of the investigation, if they find, they will be adding more sections. Now they accept that the accused could not produce a driving license. Why was this information not put in the public domain before? Remember, we've been reporting this incident since yesterday when we accessed the video So, and now finally the truth is out, something that we were privy to as the Gurgaon police goes on record that the accused in the matter, Kuldeep Thakur, did not have a driving license. He couldn't produce the same to the police.
You know, so looking at the new twist in this case here, we know that the cops ideally should be arresting this man with immediate effect, and charges of murder should be slapped on him. That's how the investigation should proceed from here on. Any idea on whether the cops are looking and exploring into those options on ensuring that a watertight case is filed against him?
Well, yes, the police has now suggested that they will be looking into the matter. Fresh sections could be arrested. They are also not now putting away the possibility of Akshat being Kuldeep Thakur being arrested again. They're saying that if the case is so, they will be giving more sections added in the case. But imagine, Nabila, the incident happened on Sunday. Today is a Friday. For so long, this man did not produce a driving license. What was the Gurgaon police doing? Was he been given time to produce a document at backdate? What is the entire conspiracy that is going on is the bigger question to be asked. Sunday an accident happens. Today we are on Friday, and now the police accepts that the accused has failed to provide a driving license. This is a huge lapse on the part of the police as well.